Today in this video, I need to show you something that genuinely shocked me when I first learned about it. So let's jump into the video. So tax-free savings account, at some point in your life you might have heard about it, you might be using it, you might be using it wrong or right. We'll find out in this video. So most Canadians, as you know, has TFSA, right? But the thing surprised me is that many people are completely using it in a wrong way. And it's not a huge mistake, it's not $1 million mistake, but it can be if you use it wrong. So I'm talking about something you can fix in literally like in 10 minutes, and it is quietly costing you hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. So I'm going to show you the exact numbers in a few minutes and you're going to be shocked. So stay with me in this video. My name is Lali. I'm an accountant and I'm a real estate agent. I've been investing in the stock market from last 7 years, and I make content specifically for Canadians who want to build some real wealth, not a theory, not American advice that most of people are making content that doesn't just apply here. So actual Canadian strategies. So let's get into it. So the TFSA mistake, as I said, it's not a huge mistake, but it can cost you thousands or thousands of dollars in your lifetime. So the truth is, many people open tax-free savings account just at their bank. The bank, let's say they go to TD Bank, bank puts their money into a savings account inside a tax-free savings account. Maybe 2% interest, maybe 3% per year. And people think that they are doing the right thing because, hey, it's a tax-free savings account, right? But most people don't understand the tax-free savings account is not an investment. So I need you to think about it. Tax-free savings account is not an investment. The money you put into the investment, into the tax-free savings account, that's what's gonna grow tax-free. So think of it like a box. The box itself doesn't make you money. What you put inside the box, that's what makes you money. And the magic of tax-free savings account, the reason the Canadian government created it, is that everything that grows inside the box is completely tax-free forever. Not for 5 years, 10 years, but for your lifetime. So no tax on capital gains, no tax when you take the money out, zero. So if you're just putting cash in there, earning 2%, 3%, you're just using, let's say, a Ferrari to go to Dollarama. It might not be funny. So you have this incredible tax-free vehicle that you barely using it. So this is the mistake number one, and almost every Canadian I talk to is making it. Now let me show you the numbers because it's where it gets practical, it gets real. I have a whiteboard there, but for this video I'm just gonna show you on the screen just to make my life easier. So let's say you invest $500 a month. That's it, $500. And a lot of Canadians can do this. Maybe cut out some subscription, do some extra shift, reduce eating out, whatever works for you, whatever works for anybody. So scenario A, you put that $500 a month in a tax-free savings account earning 2% per year. So that's what your bank's gonna do in your tax-free savings account. After 25 years, you will have roughly $195,000. So it will look not bad, but watch the scenario B. You put that same $500 a month inside your tax-free savings account, but this time you invest in a simple Canadian ETF, something like XEQT VFV, which has historically returned around 8% per year. So after 25 years, you have roughly around $475,000. So I'm just comparing 25 years. If you go to 30 years, 40 years, that number will touch $1 million. So that's right now the difference is $280,000. So what made the difference is just the same $500 a month, nothing fancy, just by putting it in the right place inside the same account. And here's the part that really gets me. In a regular taxable account, that $475,000 in growth, you will owe a lot of capital gains tax on it. But in your tax-free savings account, completely tax-free, nothing, zero tax to government. Now, this is why I get passionate about this. This is why I love tax-free savings account. This is one of the great achievement or great discovery from Canadian government. So this is one of the best wealth building tool as well. And most Canadians are barely using it until it's get too late. I mean, nothing is too late, but it's better you start at 20, 25, 30 than 50, 55, right? So what should you or what you need to actually put inside your tax-free savings account? I want to keep it simple. I'm not gonna be like put this only, that only. So simple investing is simple thing works. So if you're beginner, just buy XQT or VFV. That's it. One ETF. If we talk about XQT, the one ETF, it gives you exposure to thousands of companies across the entire world, Canada, US, international market. So I used to be like, I was a big fan of VFB, but XQT is pretty good because it gives you some global diversification as well. So if you want Canadian dividend stock, look at the big Canadian banks, TELUS and Bridge. These pays you dividend regularly and inside your tax-free savings account, and every single dollar of dividend income is completely tax-free. But if you're under 30, 35, I'll say just go for VFP or XQT. So if you're comfortable with the US exposure, VFP tracks the S&P 500, the 500 biggest companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, all in one ETF. But the key point here is that stop letting your money sit into like cash inside your tax-free savings account. Put it to work. Even if you start with just $100 a month, that's $25 a week, by the way. The habits matter more than the amount right now, especially if you're young. Now, another bonus I want to give you, but before that, you don't have to worry about it. Just start contributing to tax-free savings account. But for some reason, if you over-contributed it, I want to also talk about it. Over-contributing into tax-free savings account actually cost you penalty. So every Canadian gets contribution room every year. In 2025, 2026, $7,000. But here's where people mess up. When you withdraw money from your tax-free savings account, you don't get that room back until January 1st of next year. So let's say this is April 2026. I withdraw some money, $5,000, let's say. But until December 31st, that room I'm not gonna get back. So that's $5,000 will still be in there. And on January 1st of 2027, that I'll get the room back. So what CRA do is that they charge 1% per month on that over contribution. So 1% is per month. People get hit with this penalty without even knowing that they did anything wrong. So the fix is simple. Go to your CRA My account only. It shows you your exact contribution room. Check it before you put money in. Takes about 2 minutes. CRA is not forgiving with these penalties. I have seen people get hit with thousands of dollars in fees over a simple misunderstanding. So don't be that guy, or don't let that be you. So I want to summarize this video. I don't want to make it longer. It's a simple video. Stop using your tax-free savings account as a savings account. Put your money to actual investment inside it. Let compound interest work for you tax-free over time. And always check your contribution room before deposit. If this video helped you, please subscribe. I post Canadian real estate and finance content every single week, specifically for Canadians who want to build wealth. And comment below, were you using your tax-free savings account as a savings account before watching this? And I'll see you in the next video.